In this video, we will see how to get fade in and fade out on a video clip while editing it in Adobe Express. When you have a video clip on the main editing page, you can click it, and then you will see an editing panel on the left side. Find the Animation tab. Here you have 3 options for animation: in, out, and loop. In and out will give you the effect when the video starts or ends. Loop will continue as long as that clip is playing. It will affect the whole video. Click the in option for this example, and you will see some transition effect options. Find the fade effect and click it. You can repeat the same effect for the video out. If you apply any transition effect, you will see a dot on the buttons, so you know for sure the effect was added. If you want to adjust the length of the fade effect, click on the settings icon on the fade effect or any other effect you apply. Then you can adjust the length up to 4 seconds. If you use a different transition effect, the settings will change based on the kind of effect. If you decide to make the video shorter or longer, the effects will still play at the beginning or end of the clip. It won't change anything if you trim or extend the video. If you'd like to learn more tricks using the video editing tools in Adobe Express, then watch this video next. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.